Okay, I'm sorry, but my voice is gonna hit the fucking ground level. I didn't even notice this shit was happening. Like, didn't even notice. Holy motherfucking shit. Like, literally, I just had my flashlight on. I'm walking along the fucking rocks, looking for snakes, which successfully I found them. Playing around with the little snakes. Thought I saw some flashes in the background. I'm like, I'll get to that later. I'll get to that later. There might be some lightning. So, then I finally get out of the rocks. I'm walking back. I'm still at the park. And I look over, just kind of look over at the water again, just to make sure if I didn't want to walk down there. And I'm like, there's this amazing fucking lightning storm. Amazing lightning storm happening. And I'm like totally oblivious. Like, hey, there's a snake. Okay, hold on. Oh, I hear thunder. Hold on, I can't figure out how to turn my flashlight on. Alright. I gotta look around for snakes before I sit down. But we're gonna be here a while, so I'm sitting down. Alright. So I'm trying to get the wind off of you guys. Look at this shit. Oh, by the way, this is the best day of my entire life. The best. I have never... I mean, I just did a lightning video, but that was nothing compared to this. Holy crap. This is like electrical storm. This isn't a lightning storm, this is an electrical storm. That shit is zipping sideways, making trails and patterns. I'm laying down on the grass, trying to... Oh God, please let this stuff show up. Oh my God, did you guys see that? This is fucking incredible. This is fucking incredible. Absolutely incredible. Holy crap, did you guys see that? Oh my God. This is absolutely amazing. can't tell if it was pokey grass or something biting me. Hold on. I need to turn my flashlight on again. Don't bite me. Okay, sorry. I was laying down trying to protect you from the wind, but it was making pokies on me. Oh, that one like went right over my head. Sorry, I know everyone's probably like, Brooke, stop! Get inside! I'm like, no. No, thank you. I got this. I got this, guys. Famous last words. Did you see that lightning strike? I'm like, I got this, and it's like, pow! I'm like, what? I got it. Got this. Wow. I am like so freaking happy right now. You have no idea. This is incredible. Pookie grass is scary. Whoa. Like some of these ones that are underneath the clouds and stuff aren't showing up very well, I don't think. There's a whole lot of it happening. God dang, was that a grasshopper? I'm like freaking out here. Okay. I keep thinking things are biting me. So I'm gonna get up. You guys, while I walk, you just watch and see if anything happens, okay? I wish I wasn't walking because it might be too blurry. Whoa! I saw a light out of the corner of my eye. I'm so happy right now. Oh, I really wish you could see this. I really need a night vision camera. Alright, I'm gonna stop. I'm gonna get a lot closer to my truck because I have a feeling it's gonna start pouring down rain. I think there's a... Okay, let's see it. Oh shit, let me go back out. I think there's a cloud over here. When the lightning flashes behind it, you can see like the beautiful cloudness. Whoop! That one zapped right above my head. I really want you to see this pretty cloud. Wow! You guys, that's not what I was talking about, but that's even better. It's like right over there, there's like, you can see the beautiful clouds in the sky, but you can't see them, like right now. Whoa, that one's exactly where, so excited. This is the coolest thing I've ever seen. Oh God, I'm so happy. What? was walking and this humongous strike went straight down over there. But I'm hoping that it showed up because since I was walking, the camera's moving. I really want to get where I'm going. Just trying to get closer to my vehicle. But I don't want you to miss anything. Whoa! Maybe I'll just lay down over here again. I want to kind of think if I go up the hill. Whoa! It's actually, I better get closer to my truck. I was worried if I get to the top of the hill, the wind will be too much, but you don't probably mind too much wind if you can. Oh my God! Jesus! I just want to lay down though. I want you to, because it's like going above my head. Like zappity zappitynesses. Hold on. I'm close enough to my truck. Hold on. Alright. Like, well, now it's going over there. Whoa! It looked like I zoomed right into it, but I wasn't. Yes! Oh my God, I'm so happy right now. Oh dang, that was like right above my head, like almost I had to look backwards. I'm laying down. Oh, I'm so happy right now, guys. I think about all the lightning storms I've ever seen in my entire long life. This is the best one ever! Oh my God! Ooh. It's flashing over there a lot. Oh my God. Cool. Whoa! It's starting to get noisy. Oh, I hear rain. I hear rain. Like you could hear it from a distance. It kind of sounds like. And you're like, what is that noise? And like 5 seconds later, like downpour. Yeah, I recognize that noise now because I learned that the hard way. Oh my God. Somebody else with a flashlight was here. I thought I almost had a heart attack. Because I just lit up. And I'm like, why am I lit up? Holy crap. You guys hear that? Okay. I'll be back in a couple minutes. I'm gonna make another one of these. Okay, have fun everybody. Bye.